If you're looking to break bad beauty habits, making simple changes can greatly improve your appearance. Avoid touching your face to prevent spreading bacteria. Refrain from licking your lips and use lip balm to prevent chapping. Apply petroleum jelly to your lips before bed to lock in moisture. Exfoliate your lips weekly with sugar. Avoid rubbing your eyes to prevent inflammation. Resist touching pimples to prevent scarring. Use tea tree oil to reduce inflammation of pimples. Adjust sleeping temperatures gradually to avoid dry skin. Use fabric-colored hair bands to prevent damage. Avoid heated cosmetics to maintain healthy hair. Air dry your hair when possible and use heat protection serum before styling. Wash your hair less frequently to prevent dryness. Use a nibble inhibitor to stop nail biting. Cover nails with gloves or adhesive bandages to prevent biting. Distract yourself with gum or toys when feeling the urge to bite nails. Keep your nails looking pretty to discourage biting. Maintain a healthy diet to promote nail health. Keep nails short to prevent breakage and reduce temptation to bite. Apply nail and cuticle creams daily to keep nails hydrated and strong.